Everything seems different now, yet I know where we come from and where we want to go. I still believe in men's worth and in their own hands. I share the same creative passion with them. I'm aware of the problems ahead, and I know they're not easy to solve, but I've inherited a joy in making things, in finding new solutions. I believe it's important to travel the world to search, to discover, and to seize opportunities when they're found. It's still worth the effort to create the future, because we cannot live in the past. I know what it means to choose high-quality raw materials and to transform them into something precious. I can tell the difference between that which is good and that which is great, and I'll never want to settle for less. In the end, I've noticed that even if everything seems different, I'm still searching for the same things.